Want to make money by just clicking simple ads? Then this video is for you. Let's start with one of the most reliable platforms called Cointiply. If you have ever tried PTC or paid to click sites before, you know how most of them either require an investment or waste your time for pennies. But Cointiply stands out. It's completely free to join and you don't need any referrals to start earning. Well, once you sign up, head over to the PTC ads section. You will see a list of available ads. Each one tells you exactly how long you need to watch and how many coins you will earn. Just click, wait for the timer, and boom, the coins are added to your account. What makes Cointiply even better is that it's crypto based. So you are earning in digital currency like Bitcoin or Litecoin. And once you hit $3.5 worth of coins, you can cash out. Withdrawals are available in crypto such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc. It's available worldwide no matter where you live. You can join and start earning right away.